With AI taking over everything, is this still a skill that is worth learning anymore? Let me show you why the skill of brows isn't just safe, it's still in very high demand. Now, I got a comment the other day on one of my videos, and someone had asked, is brows still a thing? Is it still in demand? And my answer was, yes, absolutely. It's still very in demand. As long as people have brows, they're going to want them to look good. Microblading, permanent brows, whatever you want to call it. There's so many names for the different types of styles there is, but most people just call it microblading. I'll just call it permanent brows. So permanent brows itself has been around for a very, very, very long time. Um, Probably as long as tattoos have been around, people have been tattooing their eyebrows. Permanent brows is a brow tattoo. Think of microblading or permanent brows as a more elevated brow tattoo. It's not that Sharpie look that everyone knows brows to be from years and years and years ago. Now, brow tattooing looks very natural to the point that a lot of times you can't even tell if someone has had it done if it's done correctly. This skill requires precision and human touch that AI can't take it over. I know that when I'm taking on a client, I'm not just slapping brows on them that they showed me a picture of. I'm actually considering their hair color, their skin color, their brow bone, their facial shape, and just wanting to harmonize and balance everything with their brows. Brows frame your face. You can't just slap on brows on someone and think they're going to like it and think it's going to look good. So it takes a great deal of customization that I don't think that a robot would be able to do. I could be wrong, but I don't see brows going away in the near future. I personally wouldn't trust a robot to do anything to my face, okay, let alone put a tattoo on it. That's just me. I just wouldn't trust it. When it comes to brows, clients need to be able to trust you. It is not something that you can just do and then erase if you happen to make a mistake because clients are paying you based on your skill and your knowledge, not just the fact that you can put brows on their face. And that's why the price point varies when it comes to how much artists charge. Most artists will base their prices based on the level of skill they have and the education they've received. So that's why there's such a varying price points when it comes to artists and how much they charge. On average, you can charge $400 to $600 per client. This is based on Google. I know this number to be on the low end because I know many, many, many artists that charge way above the average price. So the beauty industry is consistently growing, and this is a skill that AI can't take over or can't take over easily. And it's also a skill that's recession proof because it's one of those services that, regardless of what is going on in the economy, people are still going to want to people are still going to book this service because they want to look good. Because just like people want to maintain their hair no matter what and their nails no matter what, people want to maintain their brows no matter what. You know, there's certain things that women are willing to spend money on, and brows are one of those things. So it's always going to be in demand. Brows are one of those beauty services that, regardless of what's going on in the economy, people are going to want to maintain just like they maintain their nails and just like they maintain their hair. If I had to start all over today, I would still choose this skill. I know I've said this in so many videos, but brows have completely changed my life and many of my students' lives too. So if this is something you've been thinking about doing, I will leave a link in the description with ways you can learn from me and go do something your future you would be proud of. My name is Amina, and I'll see you tomorrow.